Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into Junction. Junction is one of the main towns in St Elizabeth. However, it's not the capital of St Elizabeth. The capital of St Elizabeth is Black River. So we just came off the Spur Tree Road and we turned on to the Gutters Main Road. So this is where you can access Junction from the Spur Tree Road. You can also access Junction from the Black River end and many different ways, but this is one of the main ways when you're coming off Spur Tree Hill. So this is the Gutters Main Road. And St. Elizabeth is one of the largest parishes in Jamaica. So you have a lot of towns in St. Elizabeth. You have Junction, which is a very large town. You have Santa Cruz, which most persons would think is the capital because it's so busy, but it's actually Black River. And Black River is the capital for many years now because Black River has a port. And back in the day, most of the parish capitals were based in the port towns. So Black River is the capital. You also have a lot of very large districts in St. Elizabeth. But St. Elizabeth is not the largest parish in Jamaica. The largest parish in Jamaica is St. Anne. On the left is the Mount Pelier community, and this area is also known as Mount Pelier. That's the Mount Pelier Apocalyptic Church. Alright, so if we were to continue straight, we would go to Downs, Alligator Pond, and Bull Savannah. But we're going to turn right here and head towards Junction.